I want to make this really interactive, right? So since some of you guys already have businesses or have some business ideas, I want to see who's brave enough to come up and talk about your business. Give us a little 30-second pitch. Is anybody brave enough to do that?
First thing I want to say about this is that I already full out planned this left to right. I already think about putting shows in it. I already think about putting products, everything.
A babysitting business, and I was thinking of making flyers and posting them around my builder complex. So like
Omni Cleaning Business is a cleaning business that focuses on lawn mowing, house cleaning, and cleaning up in the city.
It's gonna be an animation type of studio where we make animation, you know. Because overall, why I want to do this is because animation's been a big thing for me, and you know, I struggle with ADHD, and usually drawing keeps my calm. So, you know, just drawing, animating is gonna be a lifetime opportunity for me.